How long one of them will take to make?
15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. If me tell you 30 minutes, or no more.
Okay.
From we start and go back on it. I've been doing this for 9 years.
For real?
My daughter gave me the idea.
Oh.
Because she make a bracelet from an elastic band. She put them together one after one over the other. Like you know, hitch on elastic band. And she gave me this beautiful, but they were all different colors like these bracelets. So mommy look at me make me one nice bracelet. I say, oh, thank you my daughter, because I have only one daughter.
Oh. So tell me what you have here now.
So I have these ones for the ankles with some bracelet attached to it. And my anklets are very unique because I add shells and I add starfish, star bracelets. And I also have some with the turtle. Then over here I have bracelets for the arm here.
Okay.
And if they're very large, they can put them for the ankle.
Me like these.
These ones are made from coconut shell.
Nice. I like them.